Carnarvon. It's a trip that I've been meaning to do for a while now. With quite a bit to see and do along the way, it should be a fantastic journey. But unfortunately, the entire eastern side of Australia is currently being affected by wild weather caused by La Nina. Will we get the journey we hoped for, or will it all be cut short by the weather? Let's get four wheels on the road and find out. Well, good morning. We're on the road, finally. So this morning we've taken the back way to get up towards Blackbutt. So we've gone Fernvale, Wivenhoe Somerset and around that way, as you'll see on the map here. Beautiful drive, no matter what time of year along this road. There's a ton of fantastic places to see and things to do in the Wivenhoe Somerset area. If you wanted to take a look at any of those videos, I'll put a link for you in the top right hand side of your screen. Fantastic drive the whole way along, all the way up to Gayndah. I've been as far as there, travelling up to Kilkeevan a few times, and as you'll see from your pictures here, just beautiful scenery. Sort of forest with a lot of farmlands in between, and just long straights, beautiful roads to drive on. It's a little bit bumpy along the way, but the scenery and where you are really makes up for the bumpy road in places, in that it's a beautiful, beautiful journey to be a part of and to take in. All right, we're going to make our way up towards Blackbutt. Today I think we're going to get a few Ks done. I think the plan will probably be to get up as far as Gayndah and spend the night there. Then we've got a few national parks and other things that we're going to be stopping at along the way. It's going to be a fantastic journey. A lot of this I haven't actually done before, so I'm really, really looking forward to it. Alright, well, we've just stopped in here at Bam Springs just to stretch the legs. As you'll see here, there's a bathroom block here and some picnic tables as well, so it's a pretty well set out little area. It's actually a big area, to be honest, and it's right next to the main road, but there's a separate little service road for it, so that's great. There's tons of little places like this in this country, and you've got to love it. If you're driving somewhere and you just wanted to stop and just get some lunch and have a bit of a picnic, pretty well set up to do so here, so nice little area. All right, well, we're going to get back on the road now. See you in a bit. Alright, we finally made our way up to Gayndah. Let's go take a look at the place. If you're in the area here in Gayndah, I definitely recommend coming and checking out the river walk here. Tons and tons of parkland on the river, and the river's just fantastic. So definitely come and check it out if you're in the area. You'll see here I've got the bridge behind me, and the Orange Hotel is just here. So if you're looking for some landmarks as to where this little park is, it's next to the river here, this is where it is. Great little area. I'm glad I came to check it out. We're going to go and make tracks now and try and find a place to stay for the night. Now that we've had a bit of a look around, I think we may also go up to the pub and grab some lunch as well. It's about, 1:30, so I think we'll have a late lunch at the pub, and then we'll make some tracks to find somewhere to stay for the night. All right, see you in a bit. So the intention was that I go for a bit of a drive around Gayndah and see if I can find a pub for some dinner, and also check out the caravan parks, etc. I ended up on the road trying to find, there's a bit of a weir that is on the river at Gayndah. Went to try and find it and ended up on the road to Mundubbera, and just thought, oh God, it's only 30k away, I might as well just keep going. So we're going to head up to Mundubbera now. There's still plenty of time left in the day, and to be honest, I've only done 300 odd K, so it's not really a lot. I just didn't want to make the same mistake that I did when I went to Uluru last year. And unfortunately I was strapped for time, so I had to do really, really long days with, 7, 8, 900,000 K days, and it really ended up taking it out of me. At any rate, it's been a beautiful day on the road so far. This is why I go motorbike riding in this area quite often. I love these forests and winding roads and big long straights with farms on them, and it's just fantastic scenery to go through. All right, well, that's about enough for me. We'll see you in Mundubbera. So we've just been headed out along Gayndah Mundubbera Road towards Mundubbera, and we stopped here quickly at Wayne's Hill Lookout, just have a bit of a look around the place. Great little lookout actually, you got 360-degree views. And you'll see down below us here we've got the Burnett River as well. So you've got some nice little views to that. All right, we just wanted to stop and stretch the legs and take a bit of a look at the lookout here. So we'll get back on the road now and head back towards Mundubbera. I think I just like the look of Mundubbera a little bit better than Gayndah for a place to stay for the evening. We've just pulled in here to the Three Rivers Tourist Park. Ended up being a really nice place to stay. It was just the first place that I came across. And the staff here are actually really, really nice. And it's a pretty nice looking little area. It's right next to the main road, but it's actually really, really quiet. As you can see here, it's right next to a farm, which is pretty cool. There's some cows that come out and say good day to you in the afternoons and in the mornings. It's about 2 o'clock now, so we're just going to sit down for the afternoon and chill out and have some dinner and get a nice early night and get up in the morning nice and early to get back on the road again. We'll see you then.